We've all seen the Realme 3 Pro. It has a capable processor, a large battery capacity, and the best part is it is super affordable. But what if you're in a budget? That is why the Realme C2 comes in. So without further ado, let's check out what's inside the box. So let's see what's inside the C2 box. Inside, you will get a SIM ejector tool, the normal stuff, and there's some paperwork. Oh, but sadly there is no jelly case. And inside, you'll get your Realme C2, which I will talk about it later. So let's set it aside first. And there's more papers. And here you got your 10-watt adapter, as well as a micro USB cable. So that's about it. That's what you get in the box. Okay, so let's focus on the Realme C2. So let me just put everything aside first. Okay, here's the Realme C2. Here's the Realme C2. And if you look closely, right, there's a dual camera setup, and the main camera surrounds itself with a yellow ring, which I think it's Realme's trademark since the Realme 3 Pro also has it, which is pretty good. And if you notice, right, there's also no fingerprint scanner found anywhere, so that means you have to rely on the facial recognition feature, or you can add your password or PIN number to this device. You will also notice there's a diamond cut design on the Realme C2, which I find it pretty interesting. And the best part is it is not reflective or glossy. That is because it used a matte back. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Yeah, it sounds like that. So there's some really fine lines in between, and I think it's pretty nice to grip. So looking around at this device, you'll still get your standard stuff. At the right side, you'll still get a power button. At the bottom, there is still a micro USB port as well as speaker grills, and of course there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is nice to have. And at the left side, there is also a volume rocker and a SIM tray. So let's see what's inside the SIM tray. Dun 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 dun. Can you catch the focus? Yeah, so you can see there's 2 slots for nano SIM as well as a slot for micro SD card. And at the front, you will be greeted with this 6.1-inch HD Plus display, and there's a tiny notch that houses the selfie camera. And also the bezels are actually quite thick, and the chin is extremely noticeable. And under the hood, this device features a MediaTek Helio P22 processor that's mated up to 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. And in terms of camera, it gets a dual camera setup that consists of a 13-megapixel main camera as well as a 2-megapixel camera for depth effects. So powering this device is a rather large 4000 mAh battery that charges via micro USB. Unfortunately, there's no form of fast charging, so that means you have to rely on the 10-watt adapter. And now for the price. So the Realme C2 comes in 2 spec variants. The base model with 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage is priced at 429 ringgit, while the higher spec variant with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage is priced at 499 ringgit. So what do you think of the Realme C2? Let me know in the comments below. So that's all from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit that notification bell icon so that we're informed whenever we post a new video. So remember to check out our latest video here, and also another video here. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye!